Hello everybody and good day. This is Fred with Wentworth CCTV of New England, and we are coming at you today with a unique product that we love. It's made by Alfa Networks and it is called a Wi-Fi Camp Pro. This particular unit is the Camp Pro 2 version 2, which is their newest antenna. And basically what it does is it is intended for outside environments like campgrounds and marinas, where your site or your boat slip is farther away than you would like from the campground's access point, which supplies Wi-Fi to guests. Okay, that's a frequent problem. Campgrounds are wooded areas. Boats, there are sometimes yachts beside smaller boats, and it prevents line of sight from within the boat to the access point. And this product resolves a lot of those issues. What it is a 9 dBi omnidirectional antenna that you can put on the outside of your camper shell. It comes with a USB cable that you can connect to the antenna and run into the camper or boat and connect to its own router. It comes with a router, and the router then can distribute Wi-Fi to clients within the camper or boat, such as smart TVs, cell phones, laptops. So basically the antenna amplifies the campground Wi-Fi, uses a USB cord to transfer that Wi-Fi to a router that routes the Wi-Fi to your devices. It's an awesome product, and we're going to cover it right now. Okay, so let's get into the meat and potatoes. Before we start, there is a red subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Please subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we upload future content. Also like our video if the content is useful to you, and as always, leave comments. We are in a camper in a campground today. It's raining, so if you hear the raindrops in the background, I apologize, but a perfect environment for the video. So let's unbox this bad boy. What do you say? Inside this box, we will find several items. My favorite is this 9 dBi omnidirectional antenna. Again, it's 2.4 gigahertz. And this guy can pick up Wi-Fi on the outside of your camper from up to a quarter-mile away line of sight. It's a very strong antenna. To compare that, if you were inside your camper shell using, an iPhone, for instance, even the new iPhone with the 802.11ax wireless card, you have to penetrate with the wireless card inside of your phone, your camper shell, which is aluminum, metal, and try to get to the access point. In order for that to be a solid connection, you probably need to be 100 yards or closer to the access point. And in a campground environment, that's not always realistic. So this antenna is very strong, and it certainly serves its purpose. You'll also find the routing device in the box. It comes with its own antenna for your clients. You'll just screw the antenna onto the threads here for the antenna. Sounds easy enough, right? Should be able to do it. There we go. And there's that. Okay, so this is the router. You'll also find I think it's a 25-foot USB cord. It's got two ends. One end is actually bigger than the other. The big end will plug into the antenna. We're going to cover that during the installation portion of this video. This is the unboxing. So this is your USB cable. You have the TubeU CPE. It has a end male connector, so you can screw the 9 dBi omnidirectional antenna onto the CPE, and this is what would get mounted on the exterior of your camper. Again, that will be covered during the installation video. Also in the box, you will find a power supply for the unit. It is, I believe, 14 volts, 12 volts. So it's low voltage. This would plug into your router. Alfa Networks even sends you a cigarette lighter power supply, so you can plug it into the cigarette lighter of your car or your van or your camper and power the routing device that way. You'll also find some zip ties that you may need during installation, and they give you a Cat6 cable in case you want to hardwire devices to your router. There are LAN ports in the back of this, and obviously it gives off a wireless signal, which we'll be demonstrating. So that is the unboxing of the product. In our next video, we will demonstrate how to install the antenna on the outside of your camper and configure it using a laptop. That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and please stay tuned for the next video on the installation of this antenna. We'll see you in the field.